Hi, I'm Elle, sales consultant for Umbrosa. Umbrosa designs, manufactures and sells the most beautiful umbrellas in the world. From this factory in Belgium, we ship to over 80 countries worldwide. Let me introduce our Paraflex collection. Paraflex is Umbrosa's most practical umbrella for small terraces and for spaces where a base and a pole are no option. The Paraflex was originally designed as a wall-mounted umbrella. Later on, we also added the pole mount option. The Paraflex exists in round and square versions and can always tilt 30 degrees to follow the position of the sun. There are two ways in which the Paraflex can be mounted. Like this, with the grip underneath the crown of the Paraflex, or with the grip above the crown of the Paraflex. Let me show you. You loosen this handle. You maneuver the Paraflex in this position and you close the handle. You make sure that the zipper is over the arm. That will make it easier to close it. As you can see, the Paraflex has a flexible arm, very much like the human arm. It also moves like the human arm, with a shoulder hinge and an elbow hinge. With loosening this button, you can just move the Paraflex around in any direction you want. Make sure when you have chosen the correct position to close the button. Same here. You can unscrew the elbow hinge and then move the umbrella around like this. To close it, you undo this little locking device, you pull the zipper and you close the umbrella. Like this. For storage, you can move it against a pole or against the wall. Like this. To open it again, you stretch out the arm. Important when you close the zipper, first close the little clip here and only then close the zipper. And the Paraflex is up and working again. Let me explain you about the mounting options for a Paraflex. First option is a mobile tile base, as you can see it here, which is a galvanized steel base with an aluminium top and with 4 swiveling wheels. The base is filled with 12 tiles, a total of 180 kilos, and always comes with the wheels. Each of the wheels has a locking system. So once you've moved the Paraflex to the right position on your terrace, make sure to always lock the wheels. Second option for mounting the Paraflex is direct onto a solid floor by means of a spigot of a base that is always included with the parasol. Third option is by means of the in-ground anchorage, means digging a hole, pouring concrete, and using Umbrosa's in-ground anchorage to mount the umbrella. When not in use or left unattended, we always recommend to close the umbrella and to use the protective cover that is automatically included with the umbrella. In a closed position, you start with using the strap to keep the umbrella closely together, like this. Then you take the protective cover, just a small tip, the protective cover has a little pocket inside where you can put the strap in so that you don't lose it. The protective cover is not waterproof, but that's intentional. The fabric needs air if it's in humid conditions to avoid molding. The protective cover always comes with a fiberglass rib so that you can lift it to a high position Once the Paraflex is closed and unstrapped, you can take the protective cover, you go and step behind the umbrella, you put it over the top of the Paraflex. There's a zipper down here. You close it, make sure that all fabric is nicely and beautifully inside. Close the upper part of the zipper like this, and your Paraflex is safe and well stored. As you can see, the Paraflex is a very flexible and functional parasol. And functional beauty that makes your customer happy and that lets them enjoy the shade in style, that is what Ambrosia stands for. If you have any further questions, I'm Els, I'm here to assist you, and I am convinced that together we can make this a success story.